A woman in her 60s who was injured in the April 7 truck attack in Stockholm has died, raising the death toll to 5. Stockholm police said the woman, who has not been publicly identified, had been taken to hospital following the incident. A 39-year-old Uzbek man, Rakhmat Akilov, has pleaded guilty to a terrorist crime, ramming the truck into a crowd on a main pedestrian shopping street in the Swedish capital. Police have not disclosed a motive for the attack, and no extremist group has claimed responsibility for it. Akilov's Swedish residency application was rejected last year, but police said there was nothing to indicate he might plan an attack. British man Chris Bevington, 41, was one of the victims of the attack.